Hi, Namaste. Welcome to Simply Organized. In today's video, I want to talk about the reasons behind the clutter in our homes and what we can do to clear the clutter and keep it from coming back. So, let's get started. Of course, pictures and artworks are great, but if you have too many paintings or photos on one wall, it can look super cluttered. Also, you don't need to fill every wall space with pictures. In fact, empty wall space is necessary to enhance the beauty of the decor. If you are a person who loves to collect small decorative items, or if you have lots of small stuff that can be displayed, it doesn't mean you have to showcase them all at once. Too many decorative items can even make the cleanest room seem messy and so cluttered. So display only half of them and store the remaining. After a while, do the same thing with remaining half. But be selective and choose the ones that are visually pleasing to your eyes. Plants can be an amazing way to add life to any space. They are the one of those things that have the ability of making every space look better. But if you happen to have too many plants, then it will have the opposite effect and can clutter your space because of the sheer quantity. To avoid that, as you do with many other forms of clutter, keep the ones that looks best in indoors and keep the rest in your balcony or in front of your home entrance in a neatly arranged way. Many people love to decorate their sofa or bed with decorative throw pillows. But be practical. Rather than choosing a number to arrange your pillows, think in terms of practicality and furnishing functions. If you are fairly using them on regular basis, then there is no reason why you shouldn't have an extra one or two pillows at the ready. But most of the time I just end up moving them around from place to place. So for me, they are nothing but clutter and dust collectors. On the other hand, all you do with pillows on your bed is moving them on and off every day. It seems like a waste of time and energy to me. That is why I only have two big ones that came with the set. So my advice is to put them away for a while and see for yourself whether it works for you or not. A big part of organizing any space is knowing what to store there and what not to store there. This is especially true for kitchen counters that tend to become very cluttered easily. Keep the appliances to a minimum and relocate the rest into your cabinets and cupboards. While many of us love to decorate our kitchen countertops, but make sure whatever you decorate on the countertop is to be functional and very essential to your cooking. And if you want to keep your kitchen always clean and tidy, then don't hang your pots and pans onto the walls, because they can easily turn your kitchen look so cluttered. Use these kind of adjustable organizers especially made for organizing those pots and pans. And this over-the-door organizer is a great way to hide any other hangable dishes or utensils. Another prime place that clutter accumulates in a kitchen is on our refrigerator. Remove the excess paper notes, photos, to-do list and magnets from the fridge and your kitchen will immediately look so neat. And the other hot spot is the top of the fridge. It is often a dumping ground for various boxes, plastic food containers or any other items that don't have place to put. Of course, the top can be a great storage area, but make sure it never gets overfilled with unwanted stuff. We all are having so many different types of electronics in our homes now, and the wires of those electronics are the most frustrating source of visual clutter because most of the time you can't move them or purge them. Avoid that, just simply run wires through the walls. Of course, it takes a bit of time but gives the best result. And you can also use these kind of silicone wire organizers to keep them tidy. With items of different shapes, colors and sizes on them, open shelves can be the major areas of visual clutter. Instead of keeping all your belongings directly on open shelves, you can use matching containers or baskets to tuck those items inside. Doing so will make it so easier to dust off those open shelves regularly in order to keep them neat and tidy. I hope you found this video helpful and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. And I'll see you in the next week. Until then, take care and bye bye.